This is Total Telecom TV. I'm joined by Eelco Blok, who has just given a keynote here at the Congress in London. Eelco, thanks for talking to us. You gave a fascinating keynote. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about was the way you were talking about a new emphasis or more emphasis on IT going forward.
IT is a top priority for us in the business market. What we see is that customers are moving to the cloud and moving their IT to a more telco-like environment, and we see this clearly as an opportunity, and we have invested the last couple of years heavily in IT services and leveraging now the growth in IT market and the customer base we have in telco. We have more than 50% market share in the Netherlands in the business market, meaning that almost half of the business customers are already a customer of KPN, and we can leverage that position with our new services, and we see a huge pickup in cloud-based security services.
Yeah, so cloud's going to be a very important part of enabling you to do that, is it?
Yes, it gives us the opportunity to build on a telco model, our position in the IT market. So we invest in hardware, we invest in software, and offer our customers pay-as-you-go services where they can up and downscale with their business requirements in a very flexible way, and give them the opportunity to manage their cost in a very efficient and effective way.
You've also been very successful on the consumer side. You've been doing a lot of initiatives, and you were talking about those magic words like reducing churn, greater ARPU. You've been very successful. Tell me a bit about the strategy behind that.
Yes, we have built on our excellent positions both in fixed and mobile, and a few years ago we started to offer bundled fixed mobile services with no discounts, but offering customers additional features. We double their credits on their mobile price plan. We give them free of charge calling within the family, and that worked really well in the Dutch market. We've seen an enormous growth in quad play, as we name it. More than 50% of the mobile postpaid KPN branded SIMs are already in a quad play offering with a churn somewhere between 4 and 5%, so extremely low. And customers that are in a quad play offering have a net promoter score of around 20, and that's extremely high for an incumbent operator like we are.
And talking about sort of customer satisfaction, you really take the initiative with people like Netflix and Spotify. You know, where people sometimes see that as a threat, you've embraced it, haven't you?
Yes, we are the challenger on TV in the Dutch market. Cable is the incumbent, and customers really want to be able to watch Netflix, listen to Spotify in a very easy way, and therefore we integrated Netflix in our IPTV menu, and that has improved the usage of Netflix, and it has improved KPN TV experience, and the same for Spotify. We have included Spotify in our high-priced bundles, and it increased stickiness, it lowered churn, and it helped us to improve net promoter scores of our products.
Now, to be able to do that, of course, you've got to have the network to back it up. How are things going with the network modernization? What are some of the key features that you're doing at the moment?
We are simplifying the product portfolio, giving us the opportunity to simplify processes, IT, but also giving us the opportunity to simplify the infrastructure, making it much more cheaper, but also gives us the opportunity to improve customer satisfaction, because time to provision customers decreases, and so it's helping us on all different elements of the telco operating model.
It must be a very exciting and challenging time to be CEO. Where do you see the operator looking, say, 2020? How do you think things will have changed by then?
A lot will change in the next couple of years. We will be in the enterprise market much more recognized as an IT company instead of a telco company offering connectivity to our customers, and in the consumer market we will be a broadband, both fixed and mobile, content delivery company operating in an environment where we have a lean and mean organization, virtualized networks with a much lower cost base than we have today. That's, I believe, where we will be in 2020.
Well, Eelco, best of luck with it. Thank you very much for talking to us today, and have a good journey home.
Thank you.